So this is the Skyloong GK75 HE, and it has a 75% layout, which means it's compact, but still it has a dedicated R keys and a function. The HE stands for Hall effect for those people who doesn't know it, which is all about those magnetic switches that offers adjustable actuation. And it has a hot swappable socket, so you can easily change the switches without any soldering. So the case is usually aluminum or a high quality plastic, but what I'm here now is the high build quality plastic. And also it has a programmable software that you can customize. So the big standout for this keyboard is the Hall effect switches, which gives you adjustable actuation points. That means you can set how sensitive the key is, which is awesome for gaming or typing. Plus, the keyboard has a full RGB lighting, and another neat features is it supports a firmware, which means you can customize a key mapping or macros and also lighting effects to your desired content. So the keyboard has a N key rollover. So N key rollover refers to how many keys you press simultaneously and still register correct. With a full N key rollover, you can press any number or any number of keys that you want at the same time. They will all be detected correctly by your computer. And it's especially important for gaming and any typing scenarios. If the keyboard has a 6-key rollover, for example, it can only detect up to 6 keys at once. If you have a full key N key rollover, means you can smash the entire keyboard and every key presses will still be recorded accurately. So in this case, this is a full N key rollover. And the rapid trigger features is all about reducing the amount of movement needed to activate or reset a key. So this keyboard, it got 0.1 millimeter rapid trigger, so you can get insanely responsive key presses. The moment you lift your finger even slightly, the key is ready to press again, which is perfect for rapid, precise action. And the zero dead zone, because this keyboard has zero dead zone, it means there's no lag at all. And also, it has a 8,000 hertz calling rate. It's super fast. It means the keyboard is sending data to your computer 8,000 times per second. The result, incredibly low latency and super responsive inputs. For gaming, it can make big difference, especially in fast-paced gaming, competitive situation. And it's kind of like having super high refresh rate for your keyboard. You can adjust actuation point and fine-tune how far you need to press the key before it registers. So this keyboard can do from 0.1 millimeter to 4.0. So you can customize it for super sensitive or more deliberate key presses. It's great for dialing the exact feel you want. It's super cool to have this kind of level of control. And also, I got the Gatoron Jade Pro switches. It's very solid. They have a nice tactile sound and it's super smooth and responsive. And since the keyboard is hot swappable, you can always experience with other switches. You can experience other switches down the line. And if you want a different feel, but the J Pro is definitely a great pick if you are after those crisp and tactile response. And of course, they got a contour line rainbow keycaps. This is super fun. They usually have a really vibrant look and the contour shape can be super comfortable for typing and gaming. Plus, they just look really cool in mechanical keyboard. It's a great combo with those switches, and overall build, it's going to feel like really nice keyboard. And that is my review for the Skyloong GK75 Hall Effect keyboard. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it to your friend, and I hope I'll see you again for the next one. Peace out, little buddy.